Hey guys, thanks for dropping by. This is William. Hey, listen, just like you, I've seen a lot, and I mean a lot of affiliate programs and/or systems over the years. Some good, some not so good, right? But there's a new affiliate sheriff in town, and it's a real game changer. It really is, and I think you're going to see that. It's called Affiliate Funnels, and it has to be the fastest affiliate system funnel creator I've ever seen. It's super quick and it's easy to use. Once I got started, and by the way, I got started for $1. Okay, I logged right in to my account. I put together a couple of projects in merely just a few minutes. It's really point and click, super simple, easy to do. I created an affiliate funnel in the internet marketing space. I used the product myself for over 15 years, and I also opened one up in the affiliate marketing space. Now, those are just two of the more than 30 different offerings that you can create campaigns for inside affiliate funnels. And so it's, like I said, it's super easy and simple to do. All you need to do is type in your affiliate IDs, and it works with all the most popular affiliate networks out there in the space. Optionally, you can connect your autoresponder or not. You can pick an offer, and it produces an affiliate funnel for you ready to collect leads and earn you commissions. And like I said, you can get started for a $1 trial, and that's for 14 days. Okay, it's really awesome, and it's awesome for any level of marketer, whether you're new, a newbie, a rookie, or you're a seasoned pro. This is good for you as well, because they already choose the most high in-demand programs and high converting offers out there as well. Affiliate internet marketing is possibly the easiest digital business model out there to implement, and that's coming from a guy that's been in the SEO industry for over 17 years. Now, all the affiliate funnels are produced and designed using state-of-the-art multimedia technologies. I mean, you're going to get marketing funnels using images, text, video, audio, all based on the products and the website traffic source that you decide to land on. So this gives you the adaptability to match the channel to your target traffic, and makes it certain it always converts well. So like I mentioned, there's 30 proven converting affiliate funnels in this program. You're going to get all 30. They're loaded right into your profile, all advertising digital or tangible items. There's tangible items in there too, from the following affiliate networks like JVZoo, Warrior Plus, ClickBank, Amazon, etc. Okay. So what I like most about the affiliate funnels is the speed in which I can have a product up and running to start promoting that product. It's super fast, and all of these are proven evergreen high converting products that are actually worth promoting, that make you money. So it's a huge time saver. You don't have to go out and do the research. You don't have to put landing pages together. This is a complete system, and as internet marketers and SEOs, time is always money. So with affiliate funnels, you can build your list and generate awesome commissions from the top selling digital and physical products on autopilot out there. So check out affiliate funnels today and decide for yourself. Once again, it's only $1 trial, and then if you want to keep it, it's only $47 for the entire year. Isn't that great? To me, that's a no-brainer if you're trying to make money in this industry. So go ahead, and with that being said, feel free to leave me a comment below and check it out.